Hello everyone, today we will learn how to add WordPress post from new pins in Pinterest. In this video, we will learn how can you integrate Pinterest and WordPress in such a way that every time a new pin is created in Pinterest, a post is created in WordPress using the same content. We will be creating this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here our trigger will be the new pin in Pinterest and our action will be create a post in WordPress. Let us learn how to do that.
So let us create this integration where every time you create a new pin in your Pinterest account, you don't have to recreate it separately and doing the work manually of creating a post in your WordPress, but creating a pin over here in Pinterest will automatically create a post in your WordPress. So we can create this automation with the help of Pabbly. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly. We are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now and then we will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Create WordPress Post from New Pins Created in Pinterest. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will see two windows, trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that our trigger application will have an event take place that will be called the trigger, and that trigger will make sure that the action application performs the assigned action. So our trigger application for this workflow is Pinterest, because first the post or the pin will be created in Pinterest and then the action application, that is going to be WordPress, will create a post, and the trigger event is going to be new pin. Click on Connect to connect Pinterest and Pabbly Connect so that every time a new pin is created in Pinterest, Pabbly Connect can get the response over here in the workflow to be further transferred to the action application. Add new connection, connect with Pinterest, and then it will automatically detect. You just have to give access and then the authorization is successful. Once this is done, it will give you the list of all the boards that have been created in Pinterest. You can see we are working right now on the board. The name of the board is New Board, which means that we are going to create a post or pin in new board only. Now, when you click on Save and Send Test Request, before make sure that you have to create a post over here, a pin. So go to Create Pin. You can drag and drop or choose the picture that you want to post. Like this is the dance picture I want. And then I will give the title as, this is my title. I will have to add a description also about my picture. So I have kept a description right over here. I will copy it from here and paste it in my description right here. Once this is done, I will just click on Save and my pin is created. It says saved to new board. See it now. So this is how my pin will be looking. When you go back, you click on Save and Send Test Request and you will see that we will receive a response. First of all, the title is the one that we just gave. Image, the link of the image is the media images originals URL. We have the dimensions of the picture and then we have the description also over here, which means we have all the details related to the pin that we just have created. Now we will move on to the action application, that is WordPress. So I'm going to type WordPress, choose my application, and the event over here will be to create a post. Now when you create a post, first of all, you have to connect your action application and Pabbly Connect so that this information that we have received from the trigger application should be safely and successfully transferred to our action application. Connect, add new connection, and now you are supposed to enter the WordPress username that you have of your account and the password also. We are also supposed to enter the base URL. We will look into the base URL later. First, you have to enter the username and the password. So my username is this and my WordPress password is this. Now we are supposed to look at the base URL. Now what is the base URL? So the base URL will be looking like this, which starts with HTTPS or any other format like HTTPS:// and it has to end till the WP admin or login. So you don't have to include that part. So we will learn how. Go back to your WordPress and see. This is your URL. Now your URL is supposed to be copied till WP3 and left with this admin or login if you have it. You copy it from there and paste it here. This is done. This is your base URL. Once this is done, click on Save and WordPress will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, once it is connected, you will see that you have to fill in certain details that are generally required to create a post. Now, what is the type that you want to create? You want to create a post. What is the post title? So you will map the information from the trigger application. How are you going to do that? When you click on any empty field, it will ask you to insert data from the previous step. So they give you the whole list of the responses in your previous step. So what was the title? This is the title. Then you have the content or the description. So remember that you have to do one thing over here, that you have to put a format is equals to double quotes, and in double quotes you have to enter the URL of the image and then end it again with a double quote and close the bracket. Once this is done, you put a slash and n, and then you will start with the information of the description of the post. Okay, so we will add the description again over here only, and this is the description. So remember just this part, that this format or this formula you have to use when you are inserting an image over here in any WordPress post. Now everything else is done. The status is to be published, and the feature media ID, here we don't have to put anything, you can just leave it as it is. And then if you want to change the author ID, I am doing it to admin, you can change it accordingly. Click on save and send test request, and then you will see the response from the action application. See, it is received over here. It shows no error, which means our workflow has been a great success. Now we just need to confirm that a post has been created in WordPress or not. So let us go back to close this window, go to WordPress, post, all posts, and then you have over here importance of dance. And when you open it, you will see, yeah, the picture is here and we have the description over here, which means that we created a post successfully in WordPress indirectly. That is, using this workflow and just creating a pin in Pinterest, a post was created in WordPress. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.